皆さんこんにちは、かずえです。Everyday Kanji, Kanji on the street. Today's Kanji is this. Means festival. On reading is 祭. Kun reading is 祭り. The stroke order of this kanji is this. So, 祭り with 送り仮名 in ひらがな. It's often the case that we read 祭り for one kanji. Anyway, do you like 祭り? 祭りが好きですか? So, have you joined any 祭り in Japan? Do you have any interesting 祭り in your country, in your area? Please share with us. Okay, here what you'll see this kanji on the street. So many posters about the matsuri and many matsuri held in Japan, especially in the summer. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed. じゃあまた明日。バイバイ。